Hi guys! Good morning! Time check dito sa Australia, it's 9:46 a.m. Welcome ulit. I'll be doing a get to know me questions para naman makilala niyo ako ng konti. Yes. Here with me is ang aking baby boy. Kahiga lang siya dito naglalaro. Anyway, let's get to it. First question would be, what's your name? By the way, wala kasi akong idea kung ano mga questions ang itatanong ko sa sarili ko. So, I prompted ChatGPT. So, this is what ChatGPT came up. So, I'll try and answer each questions, okay? So, first question is, what's your name and where are you from? My name is Jeannie and I'm from the Philippines. But, specifically, taga Barugo, Leyte ako. I am a proud Waroy Maisug! And where do you currently live? I currently live in Melbourne, Australia! How old are you? I'm not gonna tell you. Guess how old am I? Sa inyo yan. I'm not gonna share my age. You tell me, bebe. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are cooking. I love watching TV series. Yes, and I love going out during the weekends. Just maybe going for nature, going on museums, taking out my son somewhere. Yes. Very normal, very motherly hobbies. Motherly hobby ba? And next would be, what's your favorite food? My favorite food is spaghetti bolognese. And I love salads during summer. Yes. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is anything that is hot beverage. Yun ang paborito ko. Lalong-lalo na ang chai tea and coffee. What's something most people don't know about you? Well, you guys don't know that I have a 17-year-old daughter. Are you an introvert or extrovert? What's the difference? Anyway, I think I am both. Yes, it depends who am I with and as to whether I am comfortable to that person. Tama ba yung sagot ko? I don't know. I shouldn't be answering this. Somebody should answer this for me. It's hard to describe myself. What are 3 words that describe you? I think I'm very generous, funny, and madali magali. Ang tawag dyan? Hot-headed. Yes. Next is, when did you move to Australia? I moved to Australia in 2010. Next question is, what was the biggest culture shock? Culture shock for me is that when I get to Australia, I was so shocked how friendly the people are here. And it is very expensive compared to other countries. And the weather, it has 4 seasons in one day. It can literally change just like that. Para siyang magic. So, like now, let's say it's almost 10 a.m. It is sunny, a bit sunny, but then 2 hours later, it started raining. Then 2 hours later, it started getting windy and hot and everything. Yes, it has 4 seasons in one day. Para siyang ugali ng babae. Weather lang. That quick. And it is very multicultural. Yes, maraming mga nationalities dito sa Australia. May Indian, may Filipino, Chinese, Aussies, people from all over the world, you name it. And Australians are very. I was surprised how very direct and honest they are, and I appreciate that. Yes, I hate liars. What do you miss most about the Philippines? Food! Yan talagang nami-miss ko sa atin, and beautiful beaches. Yes, and I think the people Because we are very heartwarming people, except me. Hindi ako warm. I'm cold as ice. Ay, sorry. Lumalabas na ang tunay na kulay ng inyong atin. What's your favorite thing about living in Australia? My favorite thing about living in Australia is everything. Yes. The people. Okay, I'm lying. Not the people. No, it's Australia has given me a sense of yung peace. I am safe here. I can be whoever I want. There's no age discrimination when it comes to work. Yes. And you could always start no matter how old you are. You could study everything. And the support that the government gives to the people. Yeah. Marami pang iba. I'm very grateful to be living in Australia. What advice would you give to new migrant? Never forget why you came in this country, okay? And be very careful who you meet, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabayan natin. Not everyone will be your friend or true to you. If I were you, just mind your own business and just keep on working or studying whatever you want to do. Just do it yourself, yeah? Don't get too overly hung up with having friends. You will get disappointed. But iba-iba tayo ng experiences. Yes. Iba yung experience ko, iba yung experience ng iba. So, I cannot speak for other people, but base yan sa naging karanasan ko. Okay, let's talk about love and marriage. I think I will answer this on a separate video kasi I will tell you our love story ng aking Jusawa, but not that. Let's get to motherhood. Tell us about your baby boy. So here is my baby boy. He was born through C-section. I tried, but then he's a big boy. He's so cute. And I couldn't believe that I'm gonna have another baby. Yes, but he is a blessing. And I love him so much. He's very makulit. And what's your favorite thing about being a mom? My favorite thing about being a mom is that, knowing that I have a baby, cute baby. I'm not gonna be able to answer that right now kasi this boy is quite a handful. But I love being a mom. It's not easy, definitely not, but I love it. I love my boy. I love my children. What's the hardest part of motherhood? That you couldn't sleep. Okay? Like, peacefully. Because he wakes up multiple times during the night, then the crying, oh, mommy, mommy, mommy. Never-ending attention-seeking baby boy. But that's all normal. How has becoming a mother changed you? Everything. Yes, my goal in life has changed. My view in life has changed. My lifestyle has changed. My priorities has changed. Yes. What's one thing you wish you knew before becoming a parent? I could have saved a ton of money because it is very expensive. Yes. I should have been more kuripot. I should have saved a ton of money. A lot of money. That's it. Personal growth. Ay, mapuputol na to. Naglolobat na. Let's continue this on my next video, guys. Yeah? Ganito na muna. I hope you like our vlog today. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Welcome po sa aming channel. I hope you like it. Please be kind to everyone. Thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. Have a good day. Have a good afternoon. Have a good night, everybody. Thank